Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make veg fried rice, and for that what all things we need, let's have a look. We need cooked basmati rice, and I'm also using white vinegar, salt to taste, chopped green beans, chopped capsicum, chopped cabbage, and chopped carrots, and I'm also using sesame oil, and I'm also adding some garlic and spring onions. So first I'm adding sesame oil, and then I'm adding garlic and all the vegetables. Cabbage, capsicum, green beans, and I'm going to stir this. It's a very easy and tasty fried rice. I'm not adding any chili sauce or chilies, so you can give this for kids too. Nor I'm adding any MSG. You have to fry these vegetables in little high flame. If you want a little spicier version, then you can add some chili sauce or chili vinegar. So it's totally up to you. If you have sweet corn or corn kernels, you can also add that. Now I'm going to add rice, the cooked rice which I got. And when you're cooking the rice, make sure it is not overcooked. It has to be cooked, and at the same time, it should be separate. It should not be mushy. And I'm also going to add salt. And then fry. My fried rice is looking great, and I'm already getting a very nice fragrance. Now it's time to add the vinegar. I'm using the white vinegar. If you want to make it spicy, you can also add chili vinegar or chili sauce. Now my fried rice is almost done. As you can see, I have not added any MSG or chili sauce or any stir fry masala or anything. Yet it is very tasty, healthy, and looks great. Now my fried rice is ready to serve. I'm going to serve this with Szechuan chutney or sauce, which is a spicy sauce. You can also serve this with Manchurian, gobi Manchurian. So it's totally up to you. So please try this veg fried rice and share your feedback. Now I'm going to add the spring onions. And it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Take care.